I haven't officially announced it yet, but the rain is supposed to slow down some next week, towards the end of next week. So I'm thinking we need to put up 33 points, at least 30 points. You know what I mean? Where did your name Locksmith? My friend, I just said it in a rap, and my friends started calling me Locksmith. So I didn't even want that to be my name. How did you come about creating the song Planned Parenthood? I gotta say, your ability to be creative and speak about important topics is unrivaled. Man, that's a good question. So actually, I came up with that song because I was just seeing how divided the country was and how everybody was like so like either on the left or the right, like conservatives and liberals, how everybody was just like going at each other's throats. So I wanted to make a song where liberals and conservatives were kind of like having a dialogue, but I wanted to do it in a creative way. So I tried to pick a topic. I was like, oh, abortion. What if I did it from the perspective of a father, a conservative father, and a younger liberal daughter? So that was my way of doing it. I was talking about the video Planned Parenthood. For those of you who haven't heard it, go check out that song. I used to pop and lock in the 80s, a little bit in the 90s. Love from Huntington Beach. Your name fits your style. Appreciate it, man. Lottie says, still up there with favorite all-time rappers, up there with Black Thought. Man, appreciate it. Black Thought is one of the best. You one of the best underrated spitters in the game. Best lyricist. Man, I appreciate that, G Potts. I was about to say G Spots, and I was like, that's weird. Who have you had the best ciphers with, recorded or unrecorded? I don't know if I've had too many. I mean, I don't know. I haven't had any like epic ciphers with like a bunch of like I haven't, I wish I had those moments, but I don't have any like that. Favorite artist collaborated with? I don't know, man. I appreciate everybody I've collaborated with. You know what I'm saying? Definitely like doing a song with Exhibit and Razkaz. That was like monumental because, of what they mean to hip hop. You know what I mean? When's the next tour? Hopefully next year, man. Get this album out. Man, I'm not giving away who somebody says, okay, can you reveal who you plan on working with next? So I will say this. I'm gonna give y'all, just because this is on the top of my brain, because we're mixing the song right now. I do have a song with Ransom. So it's a super dope ass song. It's hard. Shout out to Ransom. Yeah, so I gave you away one. There's one for you. I got a wake up show vinyl with the freestyle battle between you and Mike T. Shout out to Mike T, man. Bay Area OG. Which clubs have the best acoustic sound systems? I don't know, man. Clubs are not a lot of times clubs aren't really conducive like for live performances. I mean, they're cool when you want to party, but for like a live performance, sometimes it's kind of weird. Any chance of a Locke and Lloyd Bank collab? Possibly. Jesse Ream says, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Yeah, man, I just wanted to hop on here and say what's up. Um, I want everybody, man, make sure y'all have a safe New Year, New Year's Eve, New Year. Everybody that's out in Vegas at the Niner game, please be safe. And yeah, man, be grateful for your blessings, man. Be grateful for everything that you have, but keep working towards the things that you want to achieve. And yeah, man, I just want to say appreciate coming on here and say appreciate you guys and thank you. The album is coming next year. The first song and first video will be out. But yo, check this out. For everybody that's in the Bay Area, I will be doing the LockLyft next weekend. If you're interested, before I announce it, because the spots fill up quick. If you're in the Bay Area and you want me to come pick you up and spit some of my new bars, my new album, just DM me. You know what I'm saying? Your name and what city, because I'm going to announce it probably on Monday. And once I announce it, the spots are going to fill up fast. And this is for the Bay Area only. Then we're going to do it in other places. But right now, we're going to do it in the Bay Area. So just hit me up. Yeah, I'm out. Y'all have a happy New Year.